Heavy on the SS soldier, man. Loyalty over royalty, I know the vibes.
Whooped it, jump outside of some movie. Blue cheese, I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like blue sleep. I'm about my chicken like it's a two-piece. You can have your back, she a groupie. She just throw all my kids in a two-seat. Swagged out, familiar, we bringing them gas out. I still got some racks stuffed in the trap house. Off the 42, I'm blowing her back out. I'm back on my bullshit, spin back with a full clip. They say I'm moving ruthless, and my shooters they shooting. I won't take her, they roof, Chris. I get the breeze, then it's adios. If I'm with your trees, then she give it. When I see police, then we gang low. That's another piece, that's another zone. Ice in the VVs, now she down to get.
The workshop was really nice and it was very energetic and fun. The workshop was amazing and the teacher's a great dancer. We had a lot of fun.
Open the chopper, hitting the cha-cha. Open his lata, then he dancing my chata.
Class was really fun and it was very energetic. There was a lot of steps and the choreography was really nice. The teacher was also so nice. We really enjoyed a lot.
1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, ha, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3.
Outside of some movie. Blue cheese, I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like blue sleep. I'm about my chicken like it's a two-piece. You can have your back, she a groupie. She just throw all my kids in a two-seat. Swagged out.
I love the vibe in the studio and the song was amazing, steps were amazing, we were able to catch up and it was just a great choreography and dance overall.
Got some racks stuffed in the trap house. Off the 42, I'm blowing her back out. I'm back on my bullshit, spin back with a full clip. They say I'm moving ruthless, and my shooters they shooting. I won't take her, they roof, Chris. Swagged out, familiar, we bringing them gas out. I still got some racks stuffed in the trap house. Off the 42, I'm blowing her back out. I'm back on my bullshit, spin back with a full clip. They say I'm moving ruthless, and my shooters they shooting. I won't take her, they roof, Chris.
So yeah, we loved the class.
We love the class.